Welcome to the third chapter of our journey through the enchanting world of studio apartment design. In this segment, we celebrate the ingenuity of transforming confined spaces into chic, functional homes that resonate with personality and style. Hi everyone, Lulu here. Welcome to part 3 of our 25 clever small studio apartment design ideas series. In this installment, we delve deeper into the art of maximizing your small space with innovative and stylish solutions. I'm so excited to share with you these other new 25 creative design ideas of small studio apartments. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. We post new videos every week covering different styles, trends, and themes for your home. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you and know what you think. So please don't forget to subscribe for more house tours and interior design ideas. Like if you are inspired to revamp your space, comment with your favorite design element from the tour. Ring the bell to stay updated on our latest videos. So, without further ado, let's get into it. The studio apartment in the image presents a modern and efficient design with a focus on maximizing space. It features a harmonious blend of colors and materials, creating an inviting and aesthetically pleasing environment. The layout appears thoughtfully arranged to offer both comfort and functionality within the limited space. The bedroom area is separated from the rest of the apartment by a glass wall. Let's turn now into a beautiful small studio apartment with a compact open space in a soft beige and brown color palette. The image depicts a cozy and efficiently designed small studio apartment. It features a well-organized layout that maximizes the available space, creating an inviting atmosphere with a modern interior design. The choice of furnishing and decor contributes to the overall aesthetic appeal and functionality of the living space. Welcome to another small studio apartment tour. The image presents a small studio apartment that is well organized and stylishly furnished. It features modern furniture including a plush armchair, a unique coffee table, a custom built-in bed closet, and a beach floor standing shelving unit filled with decorative items. The decor includes abstract artwork and potted plants, adding an artistic touch and a sense of freshness to the space. The room is bathed in natural light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Overall, the apartment exemplifies a smart use of space that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The studio apartment in the image is a small studio apartment that is both cozy and contemporary. It includes a variety of furniture such as a white dresser, a comfortable sofa, and a bed with white linens. Decorative elements like frame pictures, ornamental pieces, and a stylish lamp add to the apartment's charm. The space is well lit thanks to natural light from a large window and the wooden parquet flooring enhancing the warmth of the room. Overall, the apartment is a harmonious blend of comfort, functionality, and style. And that's a wrap on part 3 of Clever Small Studio Apartment Design Ideas. We hope you found inspiration in the space-saving tips, decor tricks, and DIY projects we share today. Remember, no matter the size of your space, there is always room for creativity and style. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might be looking for some small space magic. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more design insights and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Have you tried any of these ideas in your own studio apartment? We'd love to see them. Share your photos and stories in the comments below or on our social media with the hashtag Small Studio Series. Stay tuned for part 4 where we'll explore even more ingenious ways to elevate your living space. Until then, keep making your home a beautiful reflection of who you are. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!